Hello guys, it's me today. I'm back, and today I'm gonna make an origami video on how to make this special origami triangle box. It's very simple, and I hope at least less than 2 minutes. I think you've done this. Okay, so this origami requires 3 sheets of square paper. So and then you fold this point here to this point. And then you're gonna fold this point, this two flaps over here. Make sure you fold them down together, just like this. And then one unit is done. Now all you need to do is just make another two. So I'm gonna make it right now. And now I'm done with my unit. 2 units. So the first thing you do is you take one unit, face it down, so this point face down, and you want to take another unit, and then you want to put, so you can realize that there's a pocket over here. So you want to put this flap and put inside the pocket till over this crease. Just up to this crease. Just watch. So I stop at the crease. Just like this. Now take another unit. Now I take this unit and then put inside the pocket. Now this is tricky, but let's just not mess it up. Okay, so you wanna put these two flaps together, but I know it's really difficult. So you may want to try to rotate, like make it flatten. So when you rotate, it looks something like this when you finished it. So ta-da, your origami triangle box. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and have fun, enjoy your lesson with mine.